Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, I'm Zubair Ahmad, your lecturer at al-Jami. Anger is a natural human emotion, but in Islam it is treated with great care because uncontrolled anger can lead to words and actions that a person later regrets. Islam provides a clear spiritual and practical beginning with seeking refuge in Allah from Shaytan, who fuels anger, arrogance, and impulsive behavior. The dua is أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. I seek refuge in Allah from Shaytan, the rejected one. This short but powerful supplication acknowledges that sudden anger is often incited by Shaytan, whose goal is to create conflict, regret, and distance from Allah. By reciting this dua, a believer turns away from Shaitan's influence and places himself under Allah's protection. It is an act of humility, self-control, and spiritual awareness. The Prophet Muhammad provided practical steps alongside spiritual remembrance. If you feel angry while standing, sit down. If the anger persists while sitting, lie down. Or perform wudu or drink water, as an anger associated with the heat and fire. While water cools and calms, or remain silent, because many sins occur through speech during moments of anger. The Prophet Muhammad says, if a man gets angry and says, I seek refuge with Allah, his anger will go away. It's mentioned in Muslim and Bukhari. It's mentioned in Sahih, al-Jami, al-Sagheer. The Prophet Muhammad said, the strong man is not the one who overcomes others by strength, but the one who can control himself while in anger. It's mentioned in Bukhari and Muslim. So reciting this dua during anger trains the soul to pause, reflect, and submit to Allah instead of reacting impulsively. Over time, it builds patience, emotional intelligence qualities that are essential for personal growth, leadership, and strong character. Anger may arise suddenly, but remembrance of Allah turns that moment into an opportunity for spiritual elevation and self-mastery. In essence, this dua is not just a phrase to recite. It is a shield for the heart, a discipline for the soul, and a Sunnah-based solution for one of the most challenging human emotions. Jazakallahu khaira for watching and listening. Ma'as-salama.